Hello everyone, my name is Manvi Sinha. My USN is 1VE23IS028. My subject name is Operating Systems and its code is BCS303. So today I will discuss about file systems in operating system. Introduction to file systems. In this presentation, we will explore the fundamentals of file systems, which serve as the backbone of operating system functionality. Understanding file systems is crucial for efficient data management, retrieval, and storage in modern computing environments. Exploring file systems, the backbone of operating system functionality. So basically, what is a file system? A file system is a method for storing and organizing files on a storage device. It manages data allocation, access, and hierarchical organization, ensuring that users can efficiently retrieve and manipulate their stored data. Types of file system. There are four types of file systems, including FAT, NTFS, ext4, and HFS plus. Each type has unique characteristics such as performance, security, and compatibility, catering to different operating systems and user needs. File system architecture. File systems typically consist of a logic layer and a physical layer. The logic layer manages file operations, while the physical layer handles data storage on the hardware. This separation enhances efficiency and modularity. File operations. So common file operations including creating, reading, writing, and deleting files. Each operation interacts with the file system's metadata and requires proper management to ensure data integrity and access control. Data organization methods. File systems use various data organization methods such as block allocation and linked lists. These methods determine how files are stored and retrieved, impacting overall system performance and efficiency. File system performance. The performance of a file system is influenced by factors such as fragmentation, caching, and buffering. Understanding these aspects can help optimize file access times and improve overall system responsiveness. Security in file systems. Security is a critical aspect of file systems, involving encryption, permissions, and access controls. These measures protect sensitive data from unauthorized access and ensure user privacy in multi-user environments. File system maintenance. Regular maintenance of file systems is essential for optimal performance. This includes tasks like defragmentation, backups, and error checking to ensure reliability and prevent data loss. Future of file systems. The future of file systems is evolving with advancements in cloud storage, distributed systems, and new technologies like solid state drives (SSD). These innovations promise enhanced scalability and performance for data management. So now let's discuss about our conclusion. In conclusion, file systems are a vital component of operating systems, enabling efficient data storage and retrieval. Understanding their structure, operations, and security measures is essential for both users and developers in today's digital landscape. Thank you.